What's up, online shoppers? The winter weather is here. Now I just ordered myself this really cute little slouchy beanie, and I want to take it out of the package and show you what it looks like. Now let's take an up close look at it before I put it on my head. It's got this really nice chunky knit pattern to it with ribbing, where you've got like the raised stripes, and this like charcoal mix yarn is really pretty. You've also got a little leather tag there with the name on it, which is Brooks and Bay. And now it's time to put it on. There we go. Now I like how this slouches. I like the snugness on my head. I think it's definitely going to keep my ears nice and warm. Here's the side view. Now I really like this hat. Now the other thing is you can get this hat in a bunch of different colors. You can get it in pink, black, green, yellow, blue, gray, and then a lot darker pink. So you've got a lot of versatility. I like that it's going to be nice and warm. It fits really great. And I just think it's got some really nice details. I think this one's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.